Cesaria valiantly passed it again, moving up in between horses. Turpmore and on the outside, Ever Hope. Miss Miri comes next. Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, and Sibasib is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Turpmore running by the rail, and on the outside is Ever Hope. 6 lengths away in third, moving up now is Andrew 1 valiantly. And on the outside for Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, Miss Mitty, and Sibasib is racing in lines. We have Ever Hope by about 3 lengths now. Turpmore remains in second, and in third valiantly Gusto Ko, Happy Ka in fourth. Sibasib and Miss Mitty, and it's still Ever Hope by about 4 lengths. Turpmore now trying to get closer on the outside second. Valiantly remains in third, and Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, and it's still Ever Hope by about 3 lengths. Turpmore remains in second, and in third Valiantly as they come down at the last 150, and it's still Ever Hope by about 6 lengths now over Turpmore. Valiantly down on the inside third. Last 100 meters, we have Ever Hope by about 7 lengths over Turpmore Valiantly. And nearing the finish line, it's number 5, Ever Hope. Second, Turpmore Valiantly, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, Miss Miri, and Sibasib.
26 pa.